Hey everybody, welcome back. My name is Jacob, and this is part 2 of how to make tic-tac-toe in JavaScript. So this is where we left off in the last tutorial. Basically, it just draws the board and the current tokens on the board. So now let's add some mouse functionality. So I'm going to add an object here called mouse. And that's going to have two properties, x and y. And now we can add event listeners to our canvas. I guess we'll just put them here. Canvas, add event listener, mouse move. And we'll say x is going to equal e.pagex minus canvas offset left, I believe. I think that's right. And then y.e.page y minus canvas offset top. And we'll just console log those. Okay, that looks good, and that should be around 0 right there. Yeah, okay, so that works, and I'm forgetting a semicolon there. So now what we're going to say is on mouse move, mouse.x equals x and mouse.y equals y. Canvas and event listener for when it moves out of the canvas. We'll just reset mouse.x and mouse.y to -1. And then we're going to have a click event as well. And, well, we're going to have to make some functions that provide, that enable you to play, actually. So I'm going to make a function that takes mouse coordinates and then says, it spits out what cell you're in. So if my mouse is right here, it will spit out 0, 0. If it's right here, it'll spit out 2, 2. And this would be 0, 2. So I'm going to say function get cell by chords. Get cell by chords. So it's going to be like the inverse of this function, I guess. I suppose I can put it down there then with that one. Get cell by chords, x and y. So, how am I going to do this? We'll say return x is going to equal something, and y is also going to equal something. X will be math.floor x divided by cell size, I believe, and y is going to be math.floor y divided by cell size. Okay. You know what? How about this function actually returns this same value? So we can say get cell by coordinates and then say get cell coordinates instead. Okay. So this is just going to return one value, 0 through 8 instead. So it's going to be math.floor. So we're going to want x times, no. Ah, jeepers. Well, I'm just going to see if this works for now. I'm going to say get cell coordinates, x and y. That's on mouse move, right? Oh, I'm not outputting it. Console log get cell coordinates x and y. That is very wrong. What did I do? Get cell by coordinates. I called it wrong. So that's right. Now I just want to get 0, 1, 2. So I'm 0, 1, 2. So then this is going to be 3, 4, 5. So it's okay. What I actually want is return this value. It's going to be math.floor x over cell size modulus 3, all of that, plus math.floor y over cell size times 3. Okay, so now this should be 9, not 9, 8, that's correct. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, and that's working wonderfully. Okay, so, that's all working nice. Wonderful. So I'm going to make a function, another function called play. And that's going to take a cell. And then we're just going to say the map cell equals, well, something. We could say play for a player, or we could have another variable here called current player equals x, because x is always going to start in this game. So map cell equals current player. Of course, we have to check, make sure that cell isn't occupied. So if map cell does not equal blank, message dot text content equals position taken, and return. And then we can play there. And we're also going to want to check and see if someone has won there, but we'll do that later. For now, let's just see if this works. On click. You know, since we already have the mouse move here, I'm not sure if we actually need this code. So then on click, say play, get cell coordinates, get cell by coordinates, mouse x, mouse y, and console.log success. But position take, really? What? Yeah. console log. Now what's in here? Oh. Wait. Oh, see. What am I doing? I don't want this here. I just want that. There. X, 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 X. Oh, but that says position taken. Okay, obviously now every time we play, current player equals negative, well, just say times equals -1. So X, O, X, O, X. There we go. All right. Obviously, there's no win checking going on at this point in time. So let's make a function, another function, called check win for a player. And this is where we're going to use these bit masks here. So we'll say for let I equal 0, I is less than map dot length, if I can type it, I plus plus. And let's see, let player map bit mask equals 0. Yes. This is going to be a bit mask of all the positions that just one player has. So if our board is this, for X it would be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. And if it was O, it would be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Yes. And then we'll compare that bit mask to each of these win patterns and see if somebody has won. So player map bit mask equals 0. Okay, player map bit mask, bit shift 1, and then if map I equals player map bit mask plus equals 1. Obviously, I'm kind of mixing bitwise with arithmetic operators, but it'll work fine, hopefully. So for now, I'm just going to make sure that this works properly. So I'm going to log player map bit mask to make sure that that works. And now every time we play, we'll say check win current player. So, there, that works. So, wait, so it, okay, yeah, it's, logging the player's map bit mask. Now it'll do it for O. So like 14 to string, base 2 is 1, 1, 1, 0, because all the leading zeros don't count for anything, but that is correct. And if I say 273.toString, that's 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, and that is correct. If I do like 401, let's see what that looks like. 401. Yep, all right, so it's working. Now we're going to see if there is a win. Now we're going to loop through I is less than win patterns dot length I plus plus. Now, if player map bit mask and win patterns I equals, okay, the binding of these operators, actually I'm gonna have to enclose this in parentheses, based on operator precedence, not binding, what am I talking about, equals win patterns I, then that means we have a win. So we'll say return when patterns I. Otherwise, return 0. All right. So now let's console log this. Is there a win? No. Is there a win? No. Is there a win? No. Is there a win? Yes. There we go. All right. So our win checking is working. Perfect. And then so let win check equals check win. Oh, words, right? If win check does not equal 0, that means we have a win. So I'm going to make another variable up here called game over false for now. And well, I'm actually going to make a yeah, okay. Game over equals true, and msg dot text content equals well, current player equals x. O. I have to enclose that in parentheses. So then we're going to say who wins. Wins. Like that. So X wins. Yay. O wins. Yay. Okay, so that's working. But we also want to make sure that once the game is over, we can't continue to... Wow, that's kind of funny. So, say O there, X there, O there. Now it says O wins, and now it says X wins, because we just have to disable the board after someone has won. If game over, return. So we can't play anymore. There, now we can't play anymore. We also have to check for ties. Else, if nobody has won, but map.index of 0 equals -1, actually index of blank, which is the same thing as 0, but I mean, it just makes it more clear. Otherwise, game over equals true, and message text content equals tie. So now if I tie this game, say X, O, X, O, X, there. Now it says tie. I'm going to start out the board clear now. 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now let's see. X, O, X, O, X. X wins, and I can't play anywhere else. Now, every time we play... So it says, welcome to Tic-Tac-Toe. Nice. But... I'm going to make it so it actually says X's turn, O's turn. So... message text content equals, well, actually, no, function display turn. That sounds nice. Message text content equals, I'm just gonna kind of copy this actually somewhat or another. Alright, so now, since these are hoisted anyways, I can just say display turn, and then at the end of every play we'll say display turn. Okay, X's turn, X goes there. O's turn, O goes there. X's turn, X goes here, O goes here. X goes here, O goes here. X, O, X, there. Oh. Suppose it showed the time message. There. There, now it works. Alright, so there's Tic-Tac-Toe, that works. And yeah, I suppose that works pretty well for now. I think I'm going to do one more tutorial on this one, just adding some more visual elements. And if for some reason I suddenly discover that I made a horrendous mistake, but I don't think I did right now. Yeah, the next video is probably going to be just maybe adding hover styles, or like saying, oh, you can't go here, so it'll highlight the thing in red. But yeah, that'll be next week's video. But for now, Tic-Tac-Toe works. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Hope you learned something from it. My name is Jacob. Don't forget to subscribe, and have a good one. See ya.